This video tutorial I will explain JMS. JMS stands for Java Message Service, and JMS is a Java based messaging standard that allows different software applications to communicate by sending messages and receiving messages. Just like you send text messages or emails to communicate with friends. And JMS enables software components to exchange information in a reliable and structured way. Here you can see producer or publisher which create the message and send the messages to JMS provider. JMS provider is there in the messaging server, and JMS provider has QR topic, and messages will be stored in QR topic. And here you can see receiver or subscriber which will be listening QR topic, and if messages are available, the receiver or subscriber consume messages from QR topic. And examples of JMS providers are ActiveMQ, RabbitMQ, JBossMQ, HornetQ, IBM WebSphere MQ. And JMS is all about sending and receiving messages between two or more clients. Messaging. Imagine you have two friends who want to share information without being online at the same time. One friend writes a note and puts it in the envelope and drops it in the mailbox. The other friend later check the mailbox, find the note, and read the message. Similarly, JMS provides way for software components to send and receive the messages even if they are not running simultaneously. Components. In the software world, different applications or part of the application might need to communicate with each other. For example, an online shopping website needs to notify the inventory system when a product is ordered. JMS provides a reliable way for these different components to exchange information, and JMS also ensure the messages are delivered properly and in the right order. JMS supports two main communication models. The first one is publish subscribe model, which is like a radio station broadcasting too many listeners. When a message is sent, multiple subscribers can receive the message. The second model is point to point, where messages are sent directly to a specific recipient, just like sending letter to a specific address. Here we will see the benefits of JMS. The first one is reliability. JMS ensures that messages are delivered safely even if there are network issues or receiving application is temporarily unavailable. The second point is asynchronous communication. Just like you don't have to be online all the time to receive a message. JMS allows components to communicate without needing to be active simultaneously. Third point is scalability. JMS helps manage communication in complex systems, making it easier to add new components or replace existing components without disturbing the entire system. Fourth point is decoupling. Just as your friends can send messages without knowing each other's schedule, same way JMS allows components to communicate without needing deep knowledge of each other. In summary, JMS is like a reliable postal service for different software applications. JMS helps different parts of an application or even different application communicate in a structured and efficient way, and enhancing the reliability and scalability of modern software systems. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.